Hello, my wonderful people. Happy weekend to everybody in the house and happy new month. How una dey, my correct people? The worst don't happen again, oh my people. Make una come see wetin dey happen for Insta, those cyberspace for social media. My correct people. Our beautiful mama, wey they call Mama Kate ODL, don come reply our Edo sister, Mommy Iyore one of Paris. E don come give am woto as e take dey hungry and my correct people. The matter still dey go on about marriage wey e dey trend for social media after no person comment for Iyore one of Paris platform say whether Iyore no dey marry, whether Iyore never reach to born. So say she dey congratulate another person why she no go marry. You understand? Na wetin shele be that one at the end of the story. Iyore come talk say e no dey do marriage for backyard. Who say make she talk am, my correct people? Na there na wahala for come. He say no dey do marriage for backyard, so because of that one, in dey wait for God. Even though he no even marry, no problem. Say marriage, that is na pikin in dey find. Na true. If person don overgrow, na pikin person go dey find for inside the marriage. You understand, my correct people? So she say for her stage now, or for her stage where she come dey now, not be marriage she come dey find. Na to born, na be her. After she don born, no problem for the rest. Okay, my correct people. So now she come talk say she no want do marriage because she no want do backyard marriage in Nigeria. Now she no want do marriage of 500. My people. Now our beautiful Edo sister Kate ODL come give her woto say how dare you talk like that? Now remember say Kate ODL do marriage inside last year, getting to a year now. And now for her balcony there, now she for do the reception. You understand? So a lot of people come use the call and say na backyard marriage. So one thing wey me want ask, if person want do marriage for Nigeria, not be still the inside house, outside they for still they do one. If they do, they put canopy for outside, not be outside, not be person frontage or person passage. Now you will still put the canopy. You understand? So now wetin happen be that one. I can told you come vex for the matter, come say so you they say me do marriage for outside, this and this, so you they refer to me. Now there the gbas goes for start, my correct people who say me Iyore one of Paris talk am. And another matter we me no understand. I talk say Iyore na pastor. Why should they always they mingle with all this matter where they trend for social media? She no feel leave the matter, just they do her own. She said she be woman of God. At least anything where they happen, no shook mouth put. You understand? In come your tongue to Pastor Bassi, whether na Bassi or na Casey, where they find the truth about Ruth. You understand? So now, so it can your become now my correct people. So now I say make I let you know wetin dey sup for inside Abule say what say they call am Kate ODL don't come finally answer Iyore no be almost there one of Paris say whether you do marriage for outside or for passage, all of them outside marriage, except say you go carry a whore. You understand? So now waiting they sup na be that one, my correct people. I wanna see the matter. You understand? So I will bring the video come knock am for una table, make una see wetin dey happen. So I beg, if you just dey watch for the first time, wetin you dey wait for, my correct people? I beg, because of this amiable, just try subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God will definitely bless you for me in Jesus' name. To my returning subscriber, I really thank you and I appreciate you all. May God bless you all for me. So my correct people, make I leave with Nana. We will see for another video where you know go to. Okay guys, so love you all and stay blessed till I come your way again. Please help me to share this video. Help me to give this video a thumbs up and leave a positive comment for me in the comment section. So thank you everyone, and may God Almighty definitely bless you all for me. I love you all so much. I pray may Edo cyberspace for social media bring peace and harmony again as it was before, because the one we can't do now gbagbo. Oh, okay, my corrected people. So happy new week. Love you all. Bye.
Hello, waya talk be o, waya talk be, wa be o, waya talk be, waya waya talk be o. Good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, people. Waya bebe negekai o. Waya bava. Wa bebe negekai, my people. Share the video. Good afternoon. Share the video. Share the video for me. Wa mega the video. Wa share the video for me. Emata. How now dey my people? Good afternoon. Amarine. Wayati jore no bi omozere salt and water otiti kwa. Arene. Otiti.
It's always summer. They don't have marriage. They take who else? It's summer. I never be summer. What provoke me? Never provoke me. Babe me on. Ya beg back comment me on. Ya gari plawa. Me elwe fe kakati. Everybody here. Osa no no rekete. Obeg me. Elani me melona. Ima be kyo man malwe fe. It's always summer. They don't have marriage. They take who else? Imi obe. Bana no sesi ya we marriage be say ka kwa erigwi mego akwa erigwi mo wa be wepu akwa erigwi take ganat o ma no take ganat be we marriage be say ke shame of una baba wo me teme me baba kwa ba aba me tana hey ikwati efemebo yi hey
Una dey hear Ijore, my people. Una dey hear wetin Ijore dey talk say awon dana. All these mad people, Egbinya way, all these people where they do marriage for backyard. Una dey hear wetin Ijore talk. Ijore on live video begin talk many things. Ijore no your mose. Don't want no mo egbe live video be ni me ya mo egbe na yi. O wo pa no. Me mo egbe be yana. Ijore we no gbe gogo your way. Ijore we no gbegogo yo we no gbegogo evagme so gbe ha. Ijore we no gbegogo eva you go wear to Ijore go wear 2 wristwatch, 3 wristwatch. Sometimes Ijore go wear sheni go the lapan. Ijore how many people they dress like mad person for this live video. No biju, this kind dressing now not be only mad people they dress on. Ijore not be only you want the not be you they put all work gbegogo yo wear Ijore. Oh, what begoge vag begoge hayobo. Oh, what I mwe bango vie bango no hua. Mwe nehere, ugalejo, udo vivyo ugalejo, vie rigi, ugalejo, hime sefi, isha. Wek bi me na be wek reveniana. At the shame, na me do an sumo like this. If you just do an at times 3 of waiting I do so. Person where they say person they mad ijoro gon gbo ano make your wukan ijoro fia wa e marriage yo ko wa gbo e wa ijoro una ya weti ijoro talk ijoro say Now, so anybody where he talk to her, if pikin must die. Why he be say all these people where not born are children that they mostly cause? I don't know yati born no here. A lady ni ma ni so ni ye bo. Now so he just carry go cause that lady children that day. He sure igbolo come in he not go enter you and that your native daughter truth. Una gbe kan mama na devil white me etie mama. He sure ni o gbo devil wa we gbo side chick. Wa mu no dem na gwai. Now you go sit down for your live video, you go they call people locality. Locality, now you can't local pass. Now you can't local pass. You wait they wear tourist watch, yore. You wait they dress one can local dress where nobody. You will be small picking. You never reach 40 years. You go dress like person where you be like say, now 60 years old do my dede. Who do I saw your soiree live video? No, my cage of Ohan. You just read the no mu way. Uta wetu amu kaneve no mu kan ya try boy. Any little video where you already do, he go they put on anybody where he talk to me. Now so if he go die the way here, he's all bold die. Anybody where do me something, anybody where talk to me for this Facebook, if he can go die the way where he's all bold die. He's already when my BMI what we are who, and to have your day BMI when no who. So also no na mo bogbori bi ere jore. Any little thing sure go they cause people children. If I tell something where you know like what my children go boy sure. If I bola we gbe when you be say for this Facebook before anybody even said them why even talk anything, he sure don't they refer to their children. He sure when you not born, and me say me you not born. Now people say me you not born. When you be say anytime when you do video, you go they talk that thing. Hey, that day when he's up or do you something. If he can die, he's up or do you something. If he can die, anybody will go still do you something. Now so you go happen to the jury. You know the year why I tell they look you. The year why I tell they look that in the way they spin. Because now so now they insult people children every time. Now so una, I don't know why they say these people were not born. Now so to they insult people children and that they like. Is already Paris or meme. Is already Paris or meme the frustrated human being. All this in Diala, all this or meme where they say they're not born. Now so they quit them to they cause people children. He's already do enter live video. Anybody way talk to me. That one way they say I saw this one. He not do marry. Anybody way talk to you now so if you go die jore. What did the people children do you? Why if you say now people children you they always talk to. Now some person thought that you come at any cow. Why if you say now way not born? Wa meve no more logo na bie. Wa meve na ya push here. Who bimo no honi akaye namo. Oh wa be the very day where that woman they take it like this where belle they enter. Now 2 times nice son, 3 times nice son they vomit. They go vomit that yellow one. That yellow one they first vomit food not they follow and come out early in the morning like this. Early in the morning as they wake up now that yellow vomit they go first throw away. Before they come begin to before these people where they cook around, the food will come, they smell for their nose. They go run enter toilet, you'll be like the pikin one jump out from their belly. It's sure that you not pass through all this pain. You go enter live video, you go start to the insult people children. Now so anybody will talk to you, the pikin, their children must die. Because if it happened before, his obo and so talk to you, die. It's sure now because people never come ask you what you use his obo pikin do. Now I make you they always get that joy every day when they come and they talk. Because say anybody never come meet you. May they ask you say, one more boje wetene nutana. Any little thing. Uwala diaduata. Because they don't know when we not get lesson. Because if you not be saying as you get hand to that picky there, you often not they use until they do like testimony every day. Every day now that you say they do testimony. It's just when my BMI won't have no logo. You never ever get the symptom of picking. How much more you go know how the pain they be. So women they're pregnant like this. No food go fit enter their mouth again until they deliver. No better food they go fit chop again. It's just that they no them na guai. may not be like say they shout or not. Wa e bonijore tie na hi ehun e bonijore mu gbovigbo ovigbo na ogun go kiju an ijore ogun hi agbu wa ijore ya ta ba bo la wa gbe na la wa gbe na
no se si ya we marriage be se ka kwa erigwi me ho akwa erigwi mo wa we webu akwa erigwi
una yera because say I buy house I show am because he do wa ina mo la dia social media we do wa ijore gbe mede gbe yo ko kedere ade o oga la de la video ga tala toto eri yen wi yan mo wa iyen wi yan wono na egbe yo kiyan people go dey say you not dey talk to people una dey na because of una if not I know one can record and come dey play comment una go say you not dey talk to me for that YouTube anytime where you dey YouTube and you ya we o ya sun o ya mo YouTube and you ya so one only no wa gboko ni only no wa onene ni I go say he no mention my name me and leave am I beg make I leave am aswe ni me for this one you fail because you fail wow wabagno oh we a dog wa webo he go say he buy house he go say he get money last na backyard they do marriage he your ever bola wegbia umawe marriage mo se nu je your wegbia it ma gbo ovigbo sa chick ni wa ya do wa I show money for live video 40-something thousand muladian e dia la na so ane ne Spain oh no wa ke greasy e squeezy ne I want to let the cat out part 1 part 2 part 3 not they say part 10 till tomorrow tinya ye let out without no proof Italian of ni wa ya mu igo ladian akaka get this money now you allow me go do a shower for Swiss Kate get this money now you not give me 5,000 come out inside 40,000 or 5,000 into a walk okay me walk okay the money me ega ni na ga su se de gbe pa e de mu la wa de gbe pa wa ya na ga gie me we ga win na gbigbigbigbigbig wa yan wa ri we wa yan wo wa igi do tell me ni jo e owi are pa yo wa re gbe egbagbon mari yo ku wa since I showed that 40,000 euro ene na wa sun from a Swiss am ave zi egbe na ve so wane ana wa ko do me iya ya no te vie karati yan le ju wa all of them bring their character come out. Since I just see strong and say I buy house so I dey renovate house so evani jore na ve sun o people go dey say jore not the jealous person he jore not the bofo who tell na wa beg enia iwu won hia talk bu wa hia unyene nwa ya gwen wari ya bu mon wa viole ju wa u egbi me wa ya hia na ya ma o se ne na dame wa ya ma ne ya de do gbu wa yo all of them go dey say jore too gallant you know the jealous people not they look people. Who's gallant? You gallant? They go say you not they watch any other presenter. You not they look anybody. Who where you are? We me do what? Ah, you tell me I say I buy and I do marriage for backyard jore. Who dog ever ya pie wa no ya to no ge bue. Ijore no bi omo se. Ni ba bo na lawe gbe ne ku emu. How many years if they invite you for party you not go? If any of your close person they do something, you not go. You just don't to inside house, school you not go, driving license you not go do, language where country where you dey, language you not sabi speak, car you not sabi drive, eja one mele na mueda e, omo mami oboya bie wohoa, oh don't know they work your dove easy, umami oboya ome wohoa, obigbo sa chiki, ijoro wohoa. You say you not go fit do marriage or backyard. God forbid you not go fit do marriage or backyard. Percy where you do marriage or backyard. He no better pass Percy where he dey with man where he don't born how many children finish. And the man not even say one marriage you. Percy where he do marriage or backyard for example. He not even better pass Percy where he be say waro work me for more than 3 years. Biani ma ve value o ma mu go yo wo. Oma we demi nu hie ni e de wa muhene we go for free of charge ni ba bo we ba bota ba bo we la we gbejore thank you pretty Sonia how we here watch and not the watch who say if you not watch how you go tell no the only people we are not they look are not they fit come analyze their matter I don't feel analyze their matter because I don't know what they talk. Now people say they believe me, say I not true look. But anything where don't make my eyes see, why me wagwan, he must to fear you. Emi on boy jori. On a listen to jori wage.
We take Ganat. I'm not take Ganat the way marriage is taken. Shame of una.
Eh? What can make a jori? I walk in and no bag of over. No lani get gayobo.
You want the tickets? You get tickets, madam, you get me bar here, me. Yari over on it. Yari over on it.
Okay, Ijore, you say for you to do marriage or backyard, you go your papa house or village. That your papa house or village, they can run away in nowhere. Bobo no come there who and if I like be Ijore no be almost there. No there who are going to fianwa. If you come buy the ticket with that matter, I'll go my papa's. Where you want to do for your papa's? Not be still the outside. Not be the same outside, me do the thing. If you go your papa, not be still the same outside. He better outside get to. Outside na outside. Whether you go your papa's, whether you do it for you, outside na outside. And me not tell una say na marriage, I even do not registration. Official registration for commune. And the one where they come see your parent not be the same. Oh. Not be the same. Man never go see my family. I not go carry and enter registration hall. Never, because we no here boy nine. Where ti wa mu me boy, nwa mu me pian boy. No ukaya mi o wa nene. Ma then kesi wan Ijore no be almost no deva wa. Ni ya mu go jimo me ezi o wi mi ala live video me bi vie vani me do bien no da fi me. Ijore gbe o. Na ya ni me ya marry ogione na nagele wo marry traditionally. The one where I do so. Now officially, because I want everything that we inquire together to be in our name together officially. I want my government recognize anything where me and my husband they do. May they recognize that officially. Even it's not necessary to even throw any party. You can go to the commune and come back and you decide to just drink wine and biscuit. It's finished. Now me just decide to make I just do get together somehow. Now even to do that one. Normally it's not necessary because it is not really like waiting family need to be there. A family yoginya not be. It's just that there no problem. You am just call away book. Eh? I they look Ijore like as they look that in Diala. Now that we are they look the Diala way they spend. Now that they look Ijore because here if I remember me yakin. Ijore a la video me mag bonota. O you want me bikien ta lore ne on la wa. O mama bie o mama ke gwe gwan re la jane. O we wear your pikin. Now so is about doing something pikin die. Now the same thing go happen. Because uma bie o me no logo Uma bio me no logo Ijoro devawa. Ijore ka biene nu shotu we have me un sefi. Ka biene nu make na do atin yen te omo na tie bona no. No na urieke. So where they take care of Igbo children for there. Me not go do that one. I not go do one. Every day I say they talking for live video for years. Say the story where I felt give una. Say na so one of my Indian person. He can't go they take care of one boy picking. Why can't they tell us say we may be a wa koko be ave eh? I don't be any mavezi no way a miegbe or ave miegbe wenenia. Iye woke of your that phone when taking care of your husband children. It is better than taking care of your boyfriend children. Boyfriend will leave you tomorrow. But your husband, you go no say, okay, now later, I come discover, say, even the pikin when me they talk, say, now even my sister fell born for that man. Mema, Upon no, as I see a verse that one, the boy still living. Upon no, how many years, more than 2 years plus, in Oyak Bar over here. Oh, be any years here, Oyak Bet, listen. It's your lifestyle when I'm live. I not fit be a girlfriend to a man. I can't go to take care of the man children for more than 3 years. This your lifestyle, me do it. idwe o he o come nuwa wana gebele man jore na ya ne jore to ama iko
cause ogwera na yereba was una se wima when it tole it wima ba ogwera mo ino ba wa ogwera me keke
and Isa your papa bed one do one
direct to Nigeria. Yaiseba itigwe yobira me won blessing.
Udigwe yobira ho.
Anywhere it we marriage we shake. Ya ari yobira me. Cause ogwera me yereba. Was una se wima. When it tole it wima ba ogwera mo ino ba wa. Ogwera me keke. Yeah, want the ticket direct to Nigeria. Yeah, Seba, it will be a blessing. It's okay. Me prefer anywhere. It will marriage.
Oh, we ain't the way you're in your home. Because you dig well, Elia Yahulega never double, no, you're no, Neminu, Buevagmo. Any Yanushi ke koya, ne ya fie ke boejore. Neti Yanumwe, Nemi Yavefen way, and ya fie ke boejore. Ni va bata na bo we me boya fie kunlele we frustrated you ma be. Doctor me boya hu vie form of war. Doctor me boya hu we vie marriage na doctor. Nu wa bagbon. Wa ila jan do atebo ni biere. Benu maneve na ya bie. Wa ho wa. U henari omore no rie kia lagbe. Wa deva wa. Na mi go ma si juwe gbe. Enu na si gbo. Enu na si moroko we cafe we. Una anwanyo fi logo kwa ma be sheshe ge lage we ni bia. Uma ego tare. People they advise you that time when you are here they don't know how to chop life. Uma ego tagare. Uma ego ta ore. Baba na bia ogbane. Enu na ave cafe be Paris be ba nu na anwanyo fi logo kwa. Una je different me ya ho yo. Umere go tagare. Venu manazi omo ego tagire no do amwe bogbe no bi omo no zi omo we go wi. Ijo re ba bola we gbe a. U deva wa u do mu so gigban. When ye de gerebo a. Ita. Ina wa be mani we bo kakabo e bo dan. Bo hiamu. When ye we no do mu kan we rita gere okay akabe. Wo gere wo setting. O wo setting. Obi okan no we here mi bivie o ege toji ye ke kuvoni san obi okan no yo boss do we here I oni mi vina ya ti mi o ege toji ye ke koni san o ege toji ye ke kuvoni san o ege toji ye ke kuvoni san yore wa do mu kan wa ye ke koi Ijebu yo de abi Ijebu Igbo abi de ke no hinbo wa ye ke ko Ijore, wazo wuse, wazo wologoma, wazo weve, wazo wetikatika wadon beka ewe, erio manoka muka werio vie ele. Ijoro ma yegbese, ni vigbo viohiani nuwe gukokoni, wahia ilovie le loto. Runza, ima ewe teo. Omaname emi na mi ejore, iwe marejivu yoko wa iwe bibae, imado webo wawe o. Imado we ogwawe ma wenu boro mo wawe ke ni jena ko we ijo re sapmana gboa ugbe o tuwu iri we marriage bi bagi we bi yoko wa me we second we ya we tie we a me se ha ma wani bi sota wata dori go me ya we a me be ja we there iba bola we gbe jore kom ka ya o ese o ese nta Obi ohano yo boss do we yen mi bivie. O we even now boloka kaya ami o ere tojo. O mu etinya voni san ama we no wo wa kan vai. No mo akoru no. Ara ka solema, u ka solema, u bona hia. U ma defa hua. U ma ya ko kiri gboja. Ni ma so wu ka mo wi gbogbo atogun me gon ke a.
Na me feed you that much. So I know how many people they feed. You let them they feed. Even if you talk my matana, let me feed you.
What?
So
if person talk your matana, you feed them that much. When a matana ta, you get matter where they talk. Now only want the video where they talk your mouth. Not be me, they even talk to for you. Mary be
Well,
not
not many people at the feed. Let them do anything they want to do. Let me give my message because this message nobody feel. No, everybody know. I don't know. I want to talk up. Well, okay, now where we were in enemy. I'm getting people. No, that means sometimes when I look at something, I go say,
Echo.
oh no, kwa na unwe boge na yi.
Na de ye.
Ona wa be so na many jore. No me from me unu wa be do asa no na e mo fi fi we o yo.
Una de ye yore.
Ko ma ungie. E me na no tana ga ma to ma no ga oge no usunwa. No. That means sometimes when I look at something, I go say,
Oh no guana unwe boge.
Oh no guana unwe boge na yi.
Ye ne e mare regi.
Ona wa be so na many jore. No me from me unu wa be do asa no na.
Ubere. Even Ijore join the people where they mock una with viewer because meje viewer meje ariera meje Facebook in ariera Monday to Saturday why I go there because it's noisy. I have been working in winna that Danila Facebook in ai. Meje ariera even Ijore ariera or we are Ijore go there. Afternoon go there. Evening go there. Night go there. More than 8 years in Ijore yare social media. O magbebo he, o magbebo fiolawa. O magbebo fiolawa. Amamia atiti, amamia boy wo bijore. Amamia boy, amamia titi wo bowe. Amamia marriage, amamia so. Uwazu oyozu rede degbe. In the morning Ijore wala live video reva pokoro. In the afternoon reva pagara. Well, wait, nana me. If it be okay. In the morning, Ijore reva pohoro. In the afternoon, reva. In the evening, in the night. Ijore wo ye live video rieva he. Wo ja se usagbada wo ya nwame wo ya fi do big bo fi demon of your here. It may not be me because I'm working. I know where my money is coming from. Not be only this my normal job where they be. I have businesses that I handle. Uweninitana was you me ya make you go now. Otherwise, me ma bere mi no do kan we kan marriage no ma wu. Was you marry go now be Facebook? Was you me make you go now? Akba bobo no ma ke yo bo kan. Obi o han here, I wa be Ijore no bi amimi. Ijore no bi o han tu kele obi o han. No wa je gbe hin de ye live video na ga be gin e na be get born amu yo ohun otiku. Wagobi o kakere o na mei mai kabu no wa ona wa finye ji igbe Jore we no me say 40 years we no bi o kan tikele no wa mo egboye dede wa mo egboye o ma uga uwo ma uga hele ave native Augusta uga he oye gbe uga if Augusta je gbe wa te na gbon hin Ijore o de fa wa do ya me fian iya makama we re amu kan me iya matama we ma sure Iba bola we gbe.
Bo are ni relationship. Maybe ya mo gbe lo ka gba stay. Ime be ni ala we manage be se ka be webo. Ime be.
Na de ye Ijore.
Abeni na mo kopa di me ma wa no.
Wa yin ni yo reta o.
Ime be. O bi ra me re ba, ibi se me re ba. Ide ticket ni ado kwani ya bless marriage me. Wa do bless me be se ka. Breaking news so marriage.
Ijore go agbo e. Iba bola we gbe Ijore. Atuna go dey talk say Ijore not dey talk to people.
If your area boys, yeah, sick boy so never me. Mommy
Ijore we man me invite at the party men na area people, area boys. Ijore we na ranu we man me invite at the party men na ogun hin agbo Ijore. Iva bobe no wa fie kunlele we na ri o ga fie kunlele we hian. Beni iva bobe nu gbe omo gbe igo na ru hin agbe o ne bi yo. Adenu do da me ke nu na le run egbo.
No be ma we marriage. Na no wa preach na ri wa ya preach hian. Ofo me be wepo. Amire no boss be ho. Do man have a class. Have a 5.
Agene o. Wagemeri Joreko. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. Wagemeri Joreo.
Kaisa.
Iyo e phone raise speaker.
Okay, ri yore na te, ri yore mi ate gwanji.
Okay, gwan ya madame yo.
Iye te uwe noa. Iwe yore fia.
Wa gbe we baba la wa bi Jore gbe. Isa mana awon are wa bi Jore hun. Ijore no bia mi Jore no bia kan. Ijore no we 30 how many years in Jebe no there. Iba bono la Jore gbo la we gbe. Unwe ba bono la Jore gbe. Wa ti amene emi ni Jore me. Ohun afia wo be ni Jore fia wo. Wa afia iba bono la Jore gbo la we gbe. Benu na wo adoju un se fa ye mi Jore. Wa mi obo mi ge ya yu un se fa ye mo e. Iba bota ba bo we no la Jore gbo hin mi ge ya la we gbe. O wa we me mo egbo wa ya. Mata. Ne huemu. Ne wo me.
No be ma we marriage. Saloba we no deck me save me.
Can discern.
Ofo na be wepo. Amele no boss be ho. Do man be more class. Ave me 500. Even la Mary. When I have a Mary who are fresh. Only so who to talk.
He get us their voice they be ya izu okugbe.
Ya wa pite ya na sia we ba. Si aka le locho. Ale ma le we bono de ma we marriage yoko wa mo ya do we marriage yoko wa. Umo to gbowa wa.
Umo bi abe to gbo Jore.
Ofo na be
Ave manila we bobe not say. Iya ma kokon oye boyfriend di. Ama we were not like we 20 years ago. Ave ma ya ni la we bobe not say. Iya ma koko ye boyfriend iya ze boyfriend ne boyfriend ya kun mo giyan ni ya doriye ye dawe life with you. How do I tell na my husband pick be this, na the number 2 be this, na the number 3 come be this one. Mo we ma ya waje donnez-moi la nenemi, donnez-moi l'éleva, donnez-moi ça, bisous là. Money la we bobe no dey ya ma koko ye boyfriend yan. Iya we what's your name? When you are ready to date me, come and date me. Every mogu many dogu we are koko. Oh no ni ba boye like be ni water. Oh we TV mona biele kwa TV o age school any single mother. Mana gboma ye we o na be mi no be mu. Iya be reject we. I cannot go and look take over single mother's children. A single mother because he go a baby boy. He do ya vivi we. He have your school. He have a zobone because I defend paper for your hand. He have a school. He do any mother. Now ma be that one way talk. Ama who we no who fie we le rune majore. Emi no bi ama dolo lo huo. We no huo no saloba wari etinwe e medina we duele lo bia. Abi bi le kano ho wa le raviri. Inya very jet away. I can never. All these single mother way be say the born throw away finna can't go they take their children go school. God forbid. In the bieleka idare mau. Hello.
Hello, my own person. I greet you.
Good evening. They speak our amwebok be me buwa woto.
I tell you, I greet you. How your side, our family.
We thank
God. Don't mind if you deceive ourselves.
Okay.
You deceive ourselves. Sort out what that means. What did the meaning? Sort out what that means to kill her there. Every day they worry you.
Can you imagine what they content mock my enemy? Say no film mumu me go do marriage for backyard. Now backyard be that one be na outside be I no know.
Somebody we don't do 20 something for France. Come on, even no good morning, good afternoon. English is Uniben. I don't know the Uniben where she only Uniben where she go. I don't know the Uniben cannot speak complete sentence. Complete one. Is he preaching? She will know how to preach. She will be reading the Bible. They only receive her head. And most of our friends don't want to deceive her. At the end, that guy will go away. That guy na evil man. That guy will go away like this. She will come back to Africa and call wait for crack. And waiting for the Lord. They will title everything for ear. They wait for the Lord. Now that can't speak to them now. Let that confess what she has used I won't do, make person know, so they will not to cover our sister. Last time I watched one of our crazy video. One useless thing come out. I go, forgive me, don't kill me, and I know your woman. Now this is go on, I feel Jesus. So people they move on this guy. People they feel this war like. I mean, what kind of nonsense this one? This time in the video, please forgive me, and I mean, your woman. I don't release your picking. Okay, I don't release the picking. One I make it.
May we see. The woman saying don't release.
One I make we see. What is it? They will go home, this thing they cause other people, children, people where they unborn their own.
Hey, my brother, if you see the cause, I don't want to call the player for you. It's just the costing for children.
How will you get your way? They cost like, do you know what it takes to push off in labor? How will you get your own? You call the constitution. Or go on kill, or go down kill the one where they are home. Any other one they come out. Any spot where they come out like water.
Okay.
So that is how she kept her fair.
Oko. Thank you, my brother.
That she kept her fair. So they don't deceive herself. Her pals, they know they tell her, saying I'm who she be, hot and water. I want to pray for you. Please see her, keep man like Kanda. I want to pray for you. What have you prayed?
You go dress a locability.
Have you seen a blind man? Have you seen a blind man leading a blind man?
Okay.
So I say, go again, get water, get salt. Let me pray for salt. Salt killer, the water killer, the salt. Where they go, which God they answer those kind of non-talent prayer. Talent. Because let me pray for you. Pray for you. Let them make them contribute money. Make you arrange yourself. Let me say you are gathering fat, salt and water ministry. To waste salt with the water. Which nonsense salt and water ministry. Go like that, they talk salt and water. Go and look for your own solution. Go miliki. Go and look for your own solution. There they deceive yourself. Like that they small every day they enter ground. Every day they reduce. This of you have to increase. They reduce in size. Pressure they keep it back one side. 2 seconds, you don't enter social media and
talk. Share this video, mais you conscient. No good dog bad, the live video, mais
I tell you, what you pray for? Every time they pray for this, they pray for that. I give you a testimony. Testimony kill you there.
Killer.
Are you above testimony?
Okay.
Are you above testimony?
He say, are you above testimony? How come we are to testify? Wow! Ugaji Riviera ya testify. This is about me this motto that day. This is Ugaji Riviera ya testify. We are testify natural testifying. Why you no good?
Yes. God no change you. You take church. Every time I pray, everybody I'm feeding how much do you have right here? Are you feeding? Leave all this audio feeding a big person. Who are you feeding? All this noise in the mix. You know, are you sure you don't even build? You are feeding this, you are training this. Who are you training?
It's only not to enemy. Nigeria is not the goal.
Put the person there. Last time, someone called. Forgive me. Let me tie your womb. Now I don't release your womb. Let me make that man make no marriage arrangement. Like this, you want.
She come at Kotaka. We send an arrangement. They not arrange her well. Can you imagine?
You know, arrange and where make you go have movie. That is why that is the level of the locality and illiteracy. When you always say you finish from UNIBEN, even English, she cannot construct one complete English. She go mix up. And even when she speaks and it is a very worrisome tautology. And you say you finish from UNIBEN, I mean you just pass UNIBEN. And if I say you pass the school, no problem. If I say you go to school, talk. Someone that is smart. 20 years you have been there, you cannot speak language. You don't have anything to boast of. Anyway, Igbo man go carry you go for that. I'm going to say how you play. They condemn your own fellow, they will go pay packages tomorrow. Tomorrow you go carry a tie for church, go give my life, sleep in front of the church, say you are married to Jesus. Okay. You are wasting your time. But you don't waste all the things you're supposed to
all the Igbo people don't know them.
You can't go to Africa, tie, say you are waiting, you are married to Jesus, Satan leave. My dear.
Thank you, my brother.
Like this, they need to tell them how they play. After they hot, that's how it be now. I greet you,
Thank you, my brother. God bless you, Jare. And I better people. Any don't want to go to you already. Hello, if on speaker, Bota.
Hello, come on me.
Iyanje, if on speaker, you are the very Jare. E marriage ba e ba ki ati le no a.
Igi Jore. When you speak out, no, I go go eh. When we go to social media, una hame, e me basi when you wa ni le wetia, e do ka mweho, e do ha ko ni jan ni resige. You go do nearly ho ni. We ko la ka ro si le ko la ka ro si le, e do go we ni. Le ko la ka ti afo, na ya fo ka do ade we ye tele ho ni re.
Okay.
We ye tele ho ni re no gugu we igwe. No gugu we igbo.
Okay.
Wo ke sai chic. We ye karo jobo we jore no wa bagbon me no ho wa na
owo yen wa
o bi e iwa me jore no gbugbu e o jobo jewo
we yen wa o
na you say na you my pikin na no bon na you say you my pikin na no we ga na ne we mu wa za la gbon
owo yen wa
we jore yo we je jore nyan no gbugbu jore la gbon
yo we je me wa we se wa re me o and Bakia marriage with that one too. That one now. What it concern me concern Ijore with Bakia marriage? What if I do my marriage now? You want to tell me where I want to do? May you go do your own. Where you want to go Ijore? Whether nice house you do your whether you not concern me, go do your own. The later they go say Ijore not they talk to anybody, not they do saga. People will support Ijore for this thing where Ijore talk so. Person when saying a woman of God, if they pray, he will come and come the bully person say he do marriage for Bakia. Why can't work marriage in normal with Bakia? Well, I think he make Ijore o.
Osaloba will not take me save me. I will problem, you know. Come on.
You see, yeah, man, and nobody they die for Namata.
Later. My better, my banner was all about not me. I will not let me save me.
Una they see the way you already deceive them. Osaloba when it's time when you debt me save me. God say make I tell you may you buy me 2 bags of rice. God say make I tell you may you buy me this one. God say you sure go you sit down for live video go they tell them what God not talk. That one not your be my problem. It not concern me. What it be my problem? Say what it concern the marriage where I do. You sure go on boa. If I bola we gbe Osaloba when nuta mi yani ave unu. When you do unu hey oh. You sure no go work. You don't know go work. You don't know they integrated to a country where they don't know they speak French. You don't know even learn how to drive. You don't know get driver's license. You don't know get nothing. Make una tell me. When Ijore Oyibo man die, he come they stay with Ovigbo for apartment. People say na hotel apartment. Na you know. He called the store big boy one talk. He said, well, now they tell me may go back to Iboma house. He know they go. Now the man where you they marry, now you they stay in place. So now man where you then where you marry. I been as on now they do for our country. Or if man go come they stay for your house. Man go come they stay for your house. No, now the man where you marry, you go they stay in house. Not be so you already thought the civil of now come they stay apartment. Now she said she don't still pack oh. She don't still dead the house oh. He don't they show you back here. Ijore you get back here. If marriage you hungry, you don't want there. Now your mouth you get, you can be deceiving anybody where you want to deceive. Or my kame mona no verse, you're silent in moin. Or my kame. Hello J. Cause J both sides live video mommy. Or speaker. Ijore si me ve o, imame mi ni wa e o. A marriage in you, but maybe not come a casual marriage. Here, what Ben is your keta. Na your new way our marriage, you are there, your Kawaya video. A marriage you call a galactic bay. A ma nababana man in Avetime way. Yet, where the one about we jorena. Because everybody was like, yeah, we just go one. Oh, no, I know laughing at Gume. Or when you wire, he said, and your Magumes, and not to bomb la Dametoge. Ido woman no ma fie mi gumo fie agume no ina do top o me fie latia mi me ke na do ta mi abi jore mazami o mazami o ma wi mi ni jore mata o we be izobo wi yen mi izobo mi o egbe o bi e lie anybody not tell me here o bi e lie ijore mo we nu ga bie mo we nu ga bie ni no na ju we se fajo ijore Geme o se.
Marriage, our is your co wow, our we hold. To play go that.
Egbe wo me o.
Oh, here we buy a year go look there.
I get time before not be property. I tell you, be here. Eh?
E di posha ko lo ko na.
Ona we gbe me yana do mu yana mo yo to. Eh?
Oh, ela ogun ado mi gbogi le wo ba je kele ni e.
Ale na yi jore. Eh?
Egbe na ba. La e va ne gbe ye mo.
Iyanje because e ma mani bunege iyan
There no kwa lave blogger no fie no ra mu e yan te no aka bo yi channel ne beye ya gbe ni anu gbe ba.
On mange. Ouais c'est G. Eri jode Solomé o. Eri Solomé.
Abe korumu ya te korumi moto. Again na ona moare Nigeria, ona jamais.
Bege.
So ijore me important people. So when the mommy na wajena bana, iwa ivata ate marriage vevezieke. Wawe ubesha. Wa maberi bude no mame. Kami yore korum. Yonshi ga doy, yonshi ga poste, yonshi ga claim. Ana ona mukume ko secretary ona moari owa. Abego mami obi post on Facebook wegeni. He post on Facebook na she, Sister Nancy, one of Dublin. She's a nurse. Hello. Imiaya we marriage verse ke we bi palo me. Yes.
Ozuo. Akpa bobo ni jore. Avie ke bi palo de no kare evo ni bunse na e. Ibe de ba palo de which one carry many people pass. Which one go contain many people pass? 70 people not go fit there your palo no matter how big it is. Everybody go they sweat, they breathe on each other. But outside, the hair go they circulate as the thing wants. Ijore, your testimony not the pass. Oh no, this one buy me car. That one carry that one go Nigeria. This one donate to me. This one did. Moi gia biaja no matin ave ya we say gwene jori. Pikin no dey let them born give person say ive ya we say no. Iya ya ga bio emu gwene ya we say gwene jori. Because I mean no meje bobi e kive o ya miya e. Oni na imwe korumu gwe Nigeria bo yoge ketiboy. We beg me go manoja oje mi rehi. Na my own I did go. I believe in my own future. O makame kanwe. Wo bo 100 idi owe de dia. O ma mwe korunu. Oni mami we I say Nigeria ka yare pure water you we korunu we no ko ke nwa me. O mami, o ma that one not count anything for where I dey. Na my own I dey look, na my own I dey focus on. Ijore, person give you korun. Na that one lose, na you gain. Wait it can be my own. I take affect Kate. That one buy ya he ship am he post am Now that one I call Europe can useless. Me mazuo veri abeti me zuo veri oni. Me amigo ni me so me ebona. If I be person where they bad people boss, they bad people like Ijore boss, they buy the car, they buy the land. Me I for not get this money where I get on my account. I for not feel buy house on my own. Emi nurie no marie no manegi where egbebu we dey your phone. Poko Eloge, Agwibo. Ijere ma o.
My colleague dame me to me. Dame mi wa pe ban. Oh, where is your co wa my galo wa wona wo ma we re.
Okay.
Maximum respect to you.
Okay, mommy, we ma kada me ni me bedesin.
Me ma ya so me wa.
Eriama bere, na eriama mi bu we yen winya ma bere ke mi jore na offending. O ya ne do begbe so. They go say you're not talk to me.
Me what say? Anybody already say you're a great blocker, man.
I just tired. But they know. Iwe marriage mama mi jore go. Ima we yoko wi jore, ma we buy jore de no is on about the social media. Why say jore come to disturb me? Even that Rita said that India the 9 they work for says give me money. Why say mommy? Ataya. Iya ma bere police in the way that there not the way your police can't show it can't stop and no. Why say mommy? Yeah.
So me why invited to your words when you are just shaking. Okay. I'm not talking about no start joy. I wait when another song when I want you. You got the opportunity we are made to.
Ijo de when no Mario wa wejo. Ijo de wejo wa. Like today go say they go Nigeria. Tomorrow go say na this one. Next tomorrow. Ijo de wa ball lawe gbe no lawe gbe na. Yeah, babu. A marriage or you want a titi me and Annie out, you see.
Amana, wait a minute, you send her a package address.
Thank you, Lily.
Yeah, cool. Yes.
Una dey see yeye people. He says some relationship they way better pass marriage. Una dey see yeye talk from yeye people, yeye sort of people. So relationship they way better pass marriage. You don't mind them. Just stay with the Igbo man like that. It better pass some marriage. Many of them not they happy. Just, you see yeye people. See console where they console themselves. Wonderful. They're not married.
Marriage now. Every family where you wanna every women we marriage in every family. And you come go your
make una keep quiet. I get her before not be property. I get her before not be property. In either ways, as soon as they even mention that one said, oh, my marry me wetin yamwe o nana yo egbe. Ijo de wa ati ho ana be frustration lo we. Unwe ama iga fian dene. E menstruation iga yebe no fian ne kere obere after 3 months e givere. Eri o do afela rere. Ne meme na do are jore. E meme menstruation we no e ko fian na o hiare na. Obi gbo do re fo no bia obi ho ni. War lose.
Marriage, me man say 20 no why tin ya God of Ijori. No why tin ya God of Ijori. So me what by me 20 me ba do celebrate e be sieke. Because we mo poor say the Geo France. Wa west. I will be God of Ijori wanahina.
See as that they plan the marriage we never even get ahead. See as that they plan something. Where he never even fix date, he never even get Ovigbo na use the mat open na use by himself open ma say if you're born na go put money. You're man arrive bière, you're ayahin ma keke yeva emu go jo. Ijoro ma tiri egbo ele uwo nebo ya wa bia pe wo ma na be marry salebe no. We awu we ma we on we ori marry. Eri egbo la dia because aga kunu yo egbo worry we Facebook agena. Tu we ori we no do worry wa bo.
I love you too. Zaza, where's so? Zaza, go agbe. Zaza. Mary Gretchen Boniye Zaza. Mary Gretchen. Una know I'm now Sister Joy.
Igual que no.
Everything don't work.
O come?
Ime pe ni ana we manage na sheka na webo. Ime pe. Abeni na mwe kopa di me ma wa no.
Wa call it yin ni ka be we na yin ni ka be. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening. See me see Ijore o. Good evening.
Mama, another call for that video. I always share your this. Calm down. Don't do not necessary now. Not be everybody like parties. It's not what she like. Now what you like, you do. So I beg, go this one no come for. No lose the answer and forget her.
You don't know person where person need to answer. Otherwise, you think saying doctor finish or there. Now he go come out, he go come on last person. He go your look on. He go say how many people they even look and say. Where you go?
Go ask now. So you go gather the old go land for they good now. I mean, you don't get other budgets. Your children they grow. They don't go university. They don't get cost.
Yeah.
Many better. I beg no verse. I want to ask you a question. This Oyibo land where we dey. So how many of them you dey see say they rain share for outside? If not be our stupidity.
Okay.
I beg. The time of our mama, that time when they marry, not be inside that parlor, all of them they do.
I tire for Ijore o.
No, they do inside parlor though. Go so what be this madness about all this? That now when everybody like, who like he do? Who not like he rest? Now they bring up paper come for person. This na marriage where you don't do so many where you don't even want to ask for guests.
Nana, Ijore wan put her for head again. Oh yes, I will sagbada tomorrow. If the matter don't overthrow her now, he go come and say no. Now you in the do. People go say you're not the do saga now this is then YouTube is there. I don't know whether YouTube not be social media.
You don't get that anyway. Just the important thing there for you to treat. Forget to me or you know call for beg anybody. We where they sit down, they look. Yeah. We know what's in the apple. Forget that one no comfort. Now your marriage you do. You like make it be backyard. You like make it be inside toilet or anywhere you for do. You so far the important thing you there.
Ijore no know say she they use and they even shame your own follower. Maybe Ijore get many follower wey get as get backyard. As Ijore don't talk that thing now. Say marriage you go God forbid them. All those one go come they shame. They not fit do again. Ijore no know say they go they put all those one out for high place.
They don't do for inside backyard, inside one room, inside parlor. They many where okay. As she go they talk her now. When she be the moral lesson where she they give the automatically now. Who no get money he go borrow. Who get money make it not.
She even talk her inside though. She even talk her inside. He say he get one of the person go borrow 20,000 euro to do marriage. He talk her inside. Make her play and make you hear. He said now that kind one good pass.
Then I'll call the pay debt.
He talk her inside.
Don't shop go there. I'll call the pay debt. I know can't get joy. I know can't get peace.
I tire for you.
Mama beg, sincerely speaking, you big pass this one. Rest.
Where's
this energy?
Where's
you no waste your energy. I beg.
Where's it? Thank you.
I beg.
Thank you.
I beg.
Wow, where's it? Eriya ya inyame, eriya wa bi apien me ve go grita ve ni eriya ve wa apien me. See I me level say ya. If una dey notice me for this live video I know they do say now so this one can't do and make I do no. And I know they announce myself no. If I want to do it, it so please me, I do it. Nobody don't ever do marriage as presenter as a whole for this our community. Nobody don't ever do marriage or live video where na presenter they can't do and open. How much more now that kind of people I can't copy, I can't do one. I was the first person that just like not because of say I want do one. No, at that time nobody they even talk about marriage self. Because of waiting I know say I they do inside house. I know a lot of properties that my husband has. I know a lot of things that I have. I want it to be official. I want the government to recognize us official. I know when I got the work, give government the task. I know what they give government my money. If they recognize say I'm married with the husband and wife, my husband not going to pay them that too much tax or anything. But I know why they do my thing. I know they look people. I go Nigeria, I do this one, una I show money for live video, wahala. Ijore, since you did this live video, now March you take they get money for account. You know why I'm unu. Mama me don't challenge you one day because you not concern me. You not concern me. You say you get us or yeah, you get us or there. I not challenge you one day, not concern me. But I bet my ass. Ijore no rest. So be mark Ijore ni why I do what. They said they buy house for Europe. They said they get house for Europe. They come out they do backyard marriage. Who's can you money they get? What it concern me concern you, Yore? May you still go buy house for Europe. Where they are there, you know the shame. Black woman I be Nigeria. I know how many years I did when I enter Europe. I not come wait me one old man die. Make I rent the house. I not be like you, Ijore, where you use all your life. And then why you be ever gone? You use and wait for all the Iboma may die. May you erita say where you re. Me ma very only. It den no cow. The second one have a dinner. Ina hionona. Ina rigo bigo ya dove. Me ma dua mudiani dua ja oje keni ma huaji. Hello. Hello, Kaji. Ok, G. E minutagem. E mãe, né? É. Oh, ria wene. Obi gbokiaru ahun fuaje. Obi gbokiaru ahun fa na rege ya dolo we bojiri no veto we bona. No ze get a boy, no ze get ari we bo back. Can you imagine? Ubere. Ona ya dolo webo ji yen makata wi yen ti le lo wi gbo ti le liyen say your webo. He say obi gbo no go fit follow and so ibo as say na bad thing for Benin. Now woman suppose go there. Wo iku dolo webo ji na we de gberi eva jore no gungbu eni babola we gbe. Iyan go me ogweje. Iyan je. He no man no de no ana ma weseje oma weseje. Oh, I too like this one. He say no me husband cash boy bet. He already the verse say ana we do mi ro pa no be ma say. He say na that they kill Ijore Sars. Say they come see another presenter. Hele di Monica ni ete wa ve go wa ve o wa ve ichi mi ona wa ve do wa pia o wa ve we marriage pia o wa ve one na so you is trying to find any excuse to cover her. He come they use you and when it take the more people pass say they laugh. You think them you go come talk down people not they look you me na ke ni me na mi me o we wa o ge me je wu we o jore no why you get social media yari every day. Very local thing. Obigbo side chick. All the character that you are just exhibiting. No human being on earth or on this live video can never bring it out. Ijore, you are so low life for my liking. You are like a trash bin to my own way of viewing you. In my own way of looking at you, you are like a trash bin. I rate you the way I rate the other Indiala in Spain of your boy Ueni. I rate both of you in the same manner. I rate both of you in the same manner because your dressing is so awkward that day you viens. Your way of talking is so low. Mama yo. Urazedo de yo. Boni maya ave wa me de miseku ba ogwe ore no. So you turn out to comment. You big boss chiki wa mu no de mana gwai. Obi boss chiki mo we nuje kwa mo we ya take kai ve go wia. Obi boss chiki mo si jo we gbe a. Aga gun ba wa ya mo gi wa. Iya me wu wodo ye marriage ni u ya giene. Iga gun ba na ye wi ya ye because una we bibi no wa gwa wate. O wa ye mo gi. Wa ni jore do wu we gbe. Boy, can marriage in Meuni and on do way God forbid. They say they gallant, they not gallant anything. That they buy as they go money, they not go use and do marriage. Ijore, Ragmawenia. Just take a good look at your life. You go use million do marriage for Nigeria. Last, the marriage not reach 3 months. All those money you spend, what will you call that? Is it a plus or a minus? Una con de one in una. All those million where you spend for that marriage, are they coming back to you or you lose it? Una do wu agbo hiana geni go ya nu lost iweregbe. Nu ya nu mie igo nu fie bebe ya na togbu e. Nu ya na togbu e bo we togbu e ba van togbu e ba son togbu e wa vie yore. Ijore just put out for mind. For math, he saying they naked. He saying naked, they stand for door in the night. He pray for that girl. Where they do Ijeme. If they pray, may children. Ijore, that your prayer. Now the children where you never born. Now then go press, go back. Wari agmaria ve runi nugu nani biye maveni. Waveri agmaria ve bonamu gbenari anusu. Ve no lele we sariana. Waveri agmaria ve nuweto buwe mugbebu wo lele we ri agmaria ve jore. Amio mobiye kanyeno ebon we tieni ri o mare ni nuwe ni kedi tieni eri odun na be gbo ejore because iya mame mi ni ya we even if iya na me ni ya we udo tami ya we mi na nu wa wo so no me omumo u enwe umu ebo gbiri ya ijore gbo na mi wa o wa le nu o wa na gbon fi be ne ri fi meki ekini bi e ka zo. He get one boy wey coming from Italy. Say, Mama, I dey find woman or beg. Now say I get one lady. She get 2 children. No, this lady get 2 children. He say, no, Mama, me get paper now. I get paper. Oh, I dey find the one where at least if now only one, I still know so okay. Now one not be 2. I say, okay, ne one, J 2 go see they okay. He say, no. I don't know. I not fit go they stoop so low. Go they carry 2 children. They go kindergarten. Come back. They go no. I can't do that. Small boys where they enter Europe today that they reject them. You were there Europe for the past 20-something years away now. You are still doing it to Wigbo Kokirigbo. Ijore go day live video. Morning till night. Obega when you're why? Nigo make a knock ban of Wigbo Yahweh project in Nigeria. Nigo make a knock ban of Wigbo lo de no ke jore yale lo da boy no degbe here. Venu we no bosoni ma we no ma not ebo no get to tienwe. Venu jo da boni soni ma we ni menekete do mo bogbe wa we mi dan. Oni ma we ne ma no mo bogbe because ave ma ni kawa o wa ebo we mu. Udo we ne bondo doje nania aga do mo mere jo ne ge via. Boy se ne na via ne bodo na kanegbe no ya mudia. Vene bodo na kanegbe. Vose no mana ya kolo big boko nu via you roba nu to amero you nu get all day ra e big guy even one le big guy say e de huere no wa yari yo kun abunu o je kun abunu no we bodo ne o he na me mana ti na hi e jo kaka almost to be everywhere nu e bo we hia bi e o ma bi ma no na o wa agbon ni babola we gbe sapana igbo e wa gbolokoshi o hoya nu logo do amunera muniri akegu wegwa uladi do amobogbe mo night and day kwa bege me idenu e audio na then ya record la dia with o no ga amume avec nu na atale tata toto my people abeg una go see me come out very very soon for Ijore. I need to that specific place where it talk that things no ye woto ni e ken Ijore na tale mi ni ya ekenijole na atawe erie ebone ni etie no rizobo abime ibie emi no wo bie no be we obiye no ma ebie no bie variave no be wujo ao itenu ejore ma leave this video like this may not too long ogun hin agbo bigbonu mu hin ni eri abi Jeffrey ogun hin agbejoro ogun gbejo wa o iba bo lawe gbe mo we no bigbo we mi go yo wo hun a me go me pretty good. No, the thing just the if you I wish you know. He go for no even. I wish you know. Now we go do marriage for backyard. Nah, me God forbid though. I not go do. If he try and me talk to me, I go nick it to children. Children go what? Wow. That time where Izobo talk to me, all of una don't know what is so happen to Izobo. So anyone where just say they want talk to her, you get her for me. Say now what happen to Izobo pikin. Ovi omonu me bien uhian bi ogujo wa yore. Kwa deve wana mi Izobo maguwe. Uke go anybody go you use that they intimidate everybody. Aderi obefi begiye orije boy go biere. Una via ye ovie etie bone. Now some people children you reto they cost people. You want to mama boy that they large guyon wogome. Na so isi puti piki. Ona be jovio ni be ya woni. Ijo re bubia mobo mi e ma si jo wegbe idenu ebe no we va de no de. Idenu. Iga iri were ya lo e lo be nu na gboro we yegbe ni. Ave mano masu no je gbiyanju nu webu. Wa manero maro wawa. Ari wa ba wa kwa. Ari wa yen yere. Wa yegbu wa ma. Ijo re are too gallant and punch to come they talk to you for real. If they really say, may we remove live video, may we minus live video, say, may we rate people for inside house. Ijori, I'm too gallant for you. I know who I am. I am not trying to come out to come the paint myself, but people will know already. I know who I be. Enu doje bo masiri kila live video do atale ratali ri. Enu doje Augustel do atale ratali ri jore. He say when no man no de. He say we jore I'm telling you the fat truth. It's a way. So guys, let me leave you for now. Let me go and do one or two things. Ijore, if I bonola wek, benami boyala. Now so ijore take the dress. Okay, go number 1. Okay, go number 2. Okay, go number 3. Odo go your way. Odo jebo masiriki. Or imagine wait till day if you just look simple. If you just look so simple, you dress appropriately, like just dress and pop very appropriate, very just very simple, very appropriate, remove very simple and decent. If not big or you just want to have one to beautify the bango, you just kia go ngbani obungbe jori obungbe. You do it in a very moderate, appropriate way. Or you are silly, you don't want me on it, illiterate. No, wagmo. Uma bere mani sile, baka yuruve na resta, nu ya mu kanya. Uma bere. Ugario na ba yo agwa. E fiti ye ladian. Oh, nu so na ba e agwa. Oh, hey ya ye. Don't you see how simple it is right now? Don't you see how gallant and simple it is right now? You can add one, you can remove one. Don't you see how it is? Ugbe wagbon iba bola wegbe. Iba be go ano la wegbe wagbon. Umeme na ya mu egbe, umeme na ya mu mejo wa gaze do gwaze. Ugaze bo uga gwan no yele no neun. Because of Igbo know who you be, 9% of Igbo come, 9% of Igbo still they treat you like that. I really need to, because now today about 1 hour ago now I do the video and as I just see I be just one come as relax, just quit do 1 or 2 things. If I feel enter live video maybe later, because of Ijore now. Oh, one okay anyway at the back. I want to unene so very I do where I want na boy. Ugbodo we won yore. Ugbo your won yore no your must wa deva wa. Then ya mu die do pie na. If I bola wegbe. What to? A marriage now be yoko wa gwana we buy gwana wo wa igbu What are you? And they come for you. I need to prepare this audio where I need to summarize them where I can't deal with you. You call yourself a prophetess. You call yourself a prayer line giver. Who were too fasting. Who were fasting and prayer. And then unuwana hoi. As a prayer fasting and prayer warrior, I don't know how I call you. You're not even supposed to even they mock people where do marriage or even front or anything. So long said that you're not even supposed to talk. Oh, we prayer, we fasting, what on a emi dan ya bo what you do. Even it denu yet fojema ya ye bue woto. Ya ye view and no make na so ya no make na so wu. Ya ye view and no big boss side chicken e mu. Side chicken will belong forever. He get way for to say in Jesus name. Already ya mare ve ni Jesu. Ni ya summarize ere here no hin obun gbe. Owa bun. Already ya mare ve ni Jesu. Alright, marriage you ko wakpa we life now. You no go like marriage in Jesus' name. You get where you talk and they come. You just go do gbo do devil. And the marriage ni where they be marry we ni Jesus. Wa e marry we no name. You are bohia ya keladian. Wa mi. Okay, my people, you go mo re mani manoro. Me let you na be. You receive me vin o. You just receive me vin o. You just receive me vin o me ko je image o re do me. You re salt and water. Ije umeya ileru even ijore woge ya wogo me o. Imaye be mu eladia be na de ire line ogere prayer line oge. Imaye ta when wado de ba me we sort of water prayer one day for my live video. I not did that line. I not did that thing. I not did that line. Ijore abeg uru enwa de gbe me before I bekela we gberu enwa de gbe me. Ya de gbe la no ke ni gbo again. All right, my people, now take care. Why are we sebo? Okay. Me she cry. Ijore de cry. Wa me vefie ya gbegbe. Ijore ma o ma mu ijore ma mu ijore. Oh we they say he get money, can't go they show say he buy house. He can't go they show say he buy house. You get money now, you go they do backyard marriage. Ijore o bege. When I tell this my sister now we aonijare idia lana no respect. Aoni yare gen na no respect. Aoni yare jore. O we o etaberi oni na. Aoni ijore o mene no erere magbaze diari efua. Ijore agata lo egi jere mi no talo. Egi ye mi no u. Ona adate atiku bere na itewe bantama we na watu bere ni jore una. We eni ya ni diala ni de talo. E ijore exactly be no ni ya talo. Ijore be ya talo na. Na say do bakia marriage bakia me make ni ana we na we na te sky no exactly the same way no ni be ya me ijore be ya me na the different in ro ijore igbonu we ka si vere ni oye bo me clear vere we o me clear imashoro clear ne de no we no ovado no de oligbo igbo smoker ole Guinness wa han only bogele no verbal the live video wa fana. Now once you go tell no say jore danyo no danyo verbal video because omanariyo egbeni ne omanariyo egbeni na nyoni clever wo e o danyo o rie ba twin o lanu won mo rere nya o danyo fie ba kwe o bi ba ni garo bi o boberia o do balu won mo re no la lo nya na nyoni re da gban no ijore na ga lalu won me be live video no ya ta wudo danyo idenu e Iva bono do lawe itenu e. Umami nu fio boji. O my people. Wan here venere, wan here azekbe. All right now.